Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go run a battery health report on your Windows computer. So if you want to see what your laptop's battery capacity is compared to maybe what the manufacturer's design capacity was, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what we're going to start with here is open up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. It's a powercfg and then /energy. You want to go copy that and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt here, right click on it, select edit, and then paste it in. It's going to take 60 seconds to actually run this report, so just please be patient. Okay guys, there you go. So you can see different information that was found. If you want to review the log, you can actually just go copy this path here. It says C and then it shows this path here for more details. I'm just going to copy this path and I'm going to tap Control C on my keyboard to copy that. And then I'm going to go to the start menu and I'm just going to go ahead and paste it right in. It's going to open up a Chrome HTML document or whatever. I mean, I have Chrome as my default browser. That's why it's opening up in Chrome. If it was something else, that's fine too, but we're just going to let it load up here. And since I'm in a virtual machine, I'm actually partially surprised that this even worked. But if you actually go ahead and scroll down, you can actually see a ton of information here. I'm just kind of glossing over, to be perfectly honest. There would probably be a section near the bottom here that would say battery information. So if you don't see, you can do Control F and then just type in battery information, and that would direct you to it. And that would show you what the design capacity as well as the last full charge values would be. So it definitely gives you a pretty good idea of what your battery's life is looking like. And you can see underneath power management capabilities. I mean, there's a ton of information you guys can look through if you want, but generally speaking, this is pretty much what you would do. And in this report, you can see it's a file here, so you already have it saved on your computer. So you're always welcome to go ahead and just navigate to this. You can go ahead and print it, save it as a PDF, whatnot, so you can do a lot with it at this point. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.